this is Imelda here. Thank you for joining me. If you just finished watching one of our mentor videos and are interested in joining the Dream Team, but would like to know what comes with the membership, I'm going to take a quick minute to review some of the courses that come with the membership. First off, this membership is for those that would like to advance as a tax professional or for those that are working independently and would like to have some community support so that you don't feel like you're doing the business alone. We're going to start off here at the dashboard, inside the dashboard, and the system shows you 6 courses at a time, as you can see here. And if you scroll right down here at the bottom, you can click through the pages and it will show you the courses. If you're looking for a specific course, you can also type it up here in the search box. So let's type in ethics. You don't have to type in the whole name. And it'll give you courses that have ethics in it. But if you're looking for ethics for the 2 hours, it would be this one. One of the questions that we get is, where do I start? So there's really no real way to start the courses, but I would recommend that you start with the Business Tax Verified. And this course covers business taxes. It starts you off with Schedule C Mastery, and then it goes into C Corp, S Corp, and then LLCs. Now you have 2 options with the Business Tax Verified course. You could either do the reading, or you could go inside here, inside the videos, and you could start with the videos first. It just all depends on what your preference is. Now, if you happen to purchase the Dream Team membership during the time that you have to complete your CE hours, then I would recommend for you to start with those courses first. So ethics is actually one of the courses. And then you would go in there. You go to get started. And it shows you how to, how to take the course. And if you have any questions, you can email us too. Now, if you're working on your hours, you should also visit the Forever Edition section. Oh, I think I lost that one. Here it is. It's right here. The Forever Edition bonus section has all the PDFs for the exam questions, the 20-hour, the AFSP, the EANCPA. So depending on which CE hours you're taking, you would click on that section, download your PDFs, and you will be able to answer the questions as you're doing the reading, so you don't have to have 2 pages open while you're taking your exam. Also inside the Forever Edition bonus section, we have form pricing. You can download that. And the form pricing is an average fees that nationwide fees. It starts off with if you're a new preparer, and then it goes all the way up to if you've been preparing taxes for 5 years or more. Now, about the live mentorship sections, if you happen to miss a live session or you're not able to attend, you can also go in here. So we're going to go into Andrea's answers. And they are recorded, which is a great thing about that. And they're separated by month. Usually we have Q&A, but if there is a topic that's covered mainly in the session, we'll label it by the topic name. Now, it takes about 24 hours for the recordings to be posted inside the course. Usually it doesn't take any longer than that, but it's 24 hours. The other cool feature is that if you do miss one of the sessions and you have a question, you can go into the Business Tax Brain Trust and you can post your questions there. And one of our mentors will answer it. It usually takes about also like 24 hours. It doesn't take longer than that. If for some reason it does take longer, you can also email us to support@prontotaxschool.com. just in case if your question was missed or maybe it wasn't posted correctly. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully this is helpful to make your decision if you want to purchase the Dream Team membership. And of course, if you have any questions, you could email us to support@prontotaxschool.com.
If you want to get good at something, you have to hang out with people that are good at that thing. If you want to be big, buff, and strong, you have to hang out with people that are big and strong. You have to eat what they eat. You have to do what they do. If you want to be successful, it's the same way. You want to hang out with people that are successful in their tax business and that you can learn from and that you can emulate.